The map shows a route from Edinburgh to Dundee, okay, and we've got here the route. It's approximately 4 centimetres on the map, okay, but the actual journey is approximately 100 kilometres. Calculate the scale of the map, giving your answer in the form of 1 to something, yeah? Well, in this case, we are told that 4 centimetres, okay, represents 100 kilometers. So we can write it as a ratio, okay, and kilometers we can write as km, okay, but like centimeters really, but obviously kilometers are km there. So that's our relationship here, isn't it? 4 centimeters, okay, on the map actually represents 100 kilometers in reality. Now you'll notice on the scale they've got 1 on the left hand side, whereas here I've got 4, yeah, on the left hand side. So what I need to do to start with is change this to 1, okay, and in other words I'd need to scale it down, wouldn't I? When I scale it down, to get from 4 to 1, I just need to divide by 4. If I'm dividing by 4, I need to divide the distance by 4. 100 divided by 4, well, to divide by 4, just halve it and halve it again, so half of that is 50, halve it again is 25 kilometers. Now, we're halfway there, right? We're not done, because if you write 25 there, it's wrong, okay? It will be wrong. The issue we've got is that we are comparing here different unit sizes, okay? That's centimeters, but that's kilometers. But in our scale has got to be independent of units, okay? We don't want to be writing units there. Because remember, we want to say, look, every one represents something, and it doesn't matter what that one is. Could be inches, could be centimeters, could be meters, whatever, right? So in order to write our answer there, we need to get these units consistent. We need to get them the same. Now I keep the 1 centimeter as it is because, you know, obviously we're happy with it being 1 here, okay, which is what we want in the question, in the answer there. But we can change this, can't we? All right, and let's take our time on it. So I'm going to change 25 kilometers to centimeters. Now I can't do that in one line. All right, I can't do that straight away because we've got kilometers. And remember, 1 kilometer. Let's think about what this represents in meters, for instance. Well, kilometer will be 1,000 meters, yeah? That's what the K stands for. The K represents 1,000, so it'll be 1,000 meters. So instead of saying then 1 centimeter is 25 kilometers, I could actually say 1 centimeter is 25,000 meters, yeah? Because, you know, you've got 1,000 meters there and we've got 25 of them, so 25,000 meters. Now we've done half a job, but I need to change it to centimeters, okay? And we've got meters there, so remember 1 meter represents 100 centimeters, okay? So to change this to centimeters, I need to times by 100, okay? In other words, I need to add 2 zeros on, okay? So then I'd have 1 centimeter, 25, and then I'm adding 2 zeros on at the end, and that's going to be my scale there. They're both then going to be in centimeters, which means then every one then will represent this here, which I believe is 2.5 million, because if you go across here, 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, comma, so 2.5 million, okay, and we'll write it like that, and we're done.